Have you been trying to grow long, thick, healthy, natural hair and nothing seems to be working? Well, honey, I've got the answers to your prayers, okay? What's up, guys? It's your girl, Jada J, in the cut, and I hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday. Make sure you have a notebook and a pen because time is money and I'm gonna make this quick, okay? Make sure you trim your hair every 10 to 12 weeks to prevent split ends. Stop using heat on your hair 24/7. If you're trying to grow long, thick, healthy hair, using heat is not the way to go, sis. Make sure you condition your hair a lot. Leave your twist outs in for 2 to 3 days. And if you're embarrassed to just wear your twist out, then make sure you wear a scarf or a bandana. If you guys want me to show you different hairstyles of how I style my hair with scarves and bandanas, be sure to comment down below and I got you, okay? Before you go to sleep, make sure you do protective hairstyles. And while you're prepping your hair to do the protective hairstyle, make sure you do the lock method. If you don't know what the lock method is, it is leave-in conditioner, oils, and cream, or whatever you use to style your hair. So make sure you do that before you do your twist outs, your braid outs, before you put your hair in braids, before you do any of that, make sure you use the lock method. Make sure you're sleeping with a satin cap on or a silk pillowcase, or you can do both. That's better. Do not, I repeat, do not shampoo your hair every single day. This is a huge mistake people make, and you're stripping your hair of its natural oils. You don't want to do that at all. Make sure you're using a hair mask at least once a week. And if you don't feel like spending a lot of money on a hair mask, you can always DIY your own hair mask. And if you guys would like me to show you how I make my hair mask, comment down below and I will hop right on it. Brush your hair gently. If you're brushing your hair and it sounds like your hair is crunching, then you're probably brushing your hair too hard and most likely gonna look like Angelica's doll Cynthia from the Rugrats. And you don't want that to happen. Make sure you're using microfiber towels or a t-shirt to dry your hair. First of all, you don't want to do all the rubbing with the towels. Microfiber towels and t-shirts absorb water, moisture, all of that quicker, and it's just way better for your hair than using just any old plain towel. There's nothing wrong with dyeing your hair, but make sure you are not dyeing your hair 24/7. I suggest that you wait like 12 weeks or 6 months to play it safe. Do not dye your hair 24/7, okay? If you enjoyed this week's video, be sure to be on the lookout for next week's video. Also, feel free to comment down below your video requests. It can be lifestyle advice, it can be fashion, hair. It can literally be related to any type of content I post. And if you're not sure about the content I post, be sure to check the description box below. And I will definitely be on top of your video requests. And always remember, stay focused and stay fabulous. Mwah.